Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It is the Hoff here, and today I have something over here that I wanted to showcase. And before I get into it, I just wanted to say that if you like my channel, you like what I do here, I have some merchandise down in the link below. My Teespring store has some shirts. It's the Hoff shirt that's for my channel, and then I have some shirts that deal with the PC Master Race with the melting keyboard and stuff like that. And then I have some shirts that deal with my other channel that are Panini reward points jokes for the personnel that like sports cards. So what I got here is some keycaps, and as you see, the box got destroyed. This came shipping from Korea, and I ordered these because I saw Random Frank's P video, and Frank P went ahead and had these on his keyboards, his Corsair and his Razer Huntsman. And I like these because of the way they shine through the side. So I'm going to put the link below where you can order these on Amazon. My box did get mangled. As you see, it looks like an accordion over here. And it's because of the way they shipped it. I mean, basically, it was just wrapped like this, which I opened it just for that purpose to validate that it wasn't broken. Bubble wrap, and then you had the keycaps like right here. So what I'm gonna do is show you how it comes. You have the keycaps like this, folded, comes with the other keycaps you need. And then we're gonna go ahead and stop the video here. I will clean off my keyboard, and I will put as many of the keys on as I can get on, because some of the Razer keys here have stabilization bars, so it requires to have stabilization bars on the keycaps, or else the key's going to be too wobbly and it just won't work right. So I'll put as many on, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done doing that. Okay, and we are back. So as you can see here, I was able to get all the keycaps that I could off. Now, if you're questioning why the space bar, shift keys, backspace, and some other little keys you'll see here and there are keys that are still the original from Razer, it's because of the stabilization bars for the longer keys. It's really difficult, and I'll have to see if there's a way to swap those out without breaking the stabilization bar, because that's what keeps these keys where they stay straight as you press them, and it goes all down at once. Now, as far as these keys are concerned, these keys were about the thickness of the Alt and Control key you see here, where it needs to be the thickness of the keys you see up here, which match this thickness. And because they are this thick, but they are so close to each other, they were actually touching to the point that no matter what I did, swapping either one out, it was still hitting up against the other, and it was having them like they were constantly depressed or depressed down, so, or pressed down, however you want to say it. So because of that, I had to leave these keys the way they are, but I put it on the spectrum, or I should say the wave effect for Razer, so you can get all the colors shining through and see how this setup looks for these keycaps. And if you like them, they should fit most keyboard sets. Just keep in mind that the function key down here that controls the extra features you would have on your F keys at the top, those F keys at the top for F1 through F12 will not show whatever the function it is on the key. So like my F5 is backtrack, F6 is play and pause, and F7 is to skip forward, and it does not show that, so I just have to remember that and know what the others do as well, or just deal with it unless I figure a way of maybe painting it on there small enough so I can see it, or etch it through so it shines the light through. I'm not quite sure if I'll do any of that. Maybe I'll just leave it be. To me, it's not that huge of a deal, because the most I've used was the F6, F5, and F7 when playing music in games, and that was about it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys are subscribed and you have made it to hit that notification bell, because that's what lets you know when my videos drop, because I'm not on a set timetable. I never know where I'm going to be, when I'm going to be able to be making videos, and what stuff will come in and how I can get this stuff. And hopefully I can get some more videos cranked out. I'm trying to work out a partnership with my local GameStop manager to see if we can get some cool GameStop merchandise that you guys might enjoy, where I can showcase that stuff off to you guys. So if that does happen, I will be bringing some great products that you guys will enjoy from GameStop and showcase those off. And it will actually be stuff that will come out day one release. So it's not going to be like something I buy later on, showcasing off where it's already been shown tens of thousands of times before. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.